I'm Makayla. We are making shrimp egg foo young, Maryland style. Add 4 eggs to a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 1/2 teaspoon of Asian sesame oil and mix together. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable or stir-fry oil to high heat in a wok. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt to oil and mix. Add 1/2 cup of shredded carrots and let them cook for about 15 seconds. Then scatter 1/4 pound of shrimp into the mixture and cook undisturbed for 30 seconds. You can also substitute 1/2 cup of crab meat, if you want. Toss again and add the shredded cabbage and cook until shrimp are pink and cabbage has softened a little. Add 1/2 teaspoon of pepper and then take shrimp mixture off of the heat. Transfer to a bowl and set aside. Let pan heat up again and add a tablespoon of cooking oil to the wok. Now add the egg mixture and let it cook until they begin to set around the edge. Begin to scramble them gently, lifting up the cooked edges and let uncooked egg reach the hot surface. When eggs are partially cooked, add the shrimp mixture and mix gently. Turn gently to combine shrimp with the eggs and help the eggs cook evenly for about 30 seconds.
What are you cooking?
Cameron, get out of my video. Finally, add 1/2 cup of chopped green onions and turn a few more times until eggs are done. Serve with cooked rice and don't forget to add soy sauce. For us Marylanders, Old Bay is optional. Enjoy. Goodbye.